We arrived.
Hello.
Yeah, we're still stuck here at the boat. But we're already here at the Taba border of Egypt. Very nice one. The boat ride took about 45 minutes.
Pareho na tayo ng...
Grabe Grabe talaga.
Okay. Ang lapit naman ang video na yan. Nakita mo na yung laman ng ilong ko.
Padungin.
Ayoko, marumi. Kasi sinimon ako. Chinese to Chinese.
Oh, wala.
Mabuti pa din.
Itim si May.
Totoo?
Lapit nga ako kayo, David.
Ako kasali.
Chinese.
Benchmark lang.
Ako yung 25% ng akin.
Reference to underside sa...
Hindi ka na ba pag ganun?
Oo,
Lalakad ka.
Hindi mo naglalakad.
Finally, we got out of the border. We'll tell you more separately what happened in the border. But we're now on our way to our resort, Sharm El-Sheikh. Okay, did I say it right? Okay.
So this is super delayed lunch. This is 5 p.m. lunch. We're in studio.
Maser.
Yes.
And
What are you having?
appetizer for me because that's the vegan option.
We're here at our resort. Okay sana siya, but walang tao. The service is also not good. Yeah, and from the outside, the place looks so nice. The rooms are quite old, even if nang 1 year pa lang sila open. So we're here now inside the hotel room. What we don't understand is why it looks kinda old. Seems that the furnitures are second-hand, considering that it's a fairly new hotel. Our room is actually better than the other room, but the other room is just very dirty. Example, yung table, no? Puro gas-gas na. Yeah, not recommended. Buti na lang we're just here for a few hours to freshen up in time for our sunrise hike to Mount Sinai. See that? I just woke up from...
Hindi pa ready.
We slept for 2 hours or less. Now it's 9 p.m. and we are preparing for our Mount Sinai trek.
When we arrive to the Holy Land, to the holy place, to Moses Mountain, you will climb on a mountain with a Bedouin guide. The Bedouin guy, he will lead you to the top. He will show you the way, how to climb. It's not climbing as you say. This is qualified way to going up. Just walking up. Closer to the top is 750 steps. The highest of Moses Mountain, 2,285 meters. This is the highest perpendicular. But when you climb, you will climb 7 kilometers up. You're not gonna go directly to the top. You have some rests. It will take time. You will see sunrise at the top of the mountain at 4:45.
Ready to climb Mount Sinai.
So
last bathroom break
Yes.
at the base.
It's now about 12:40
Yes.
a.m. Aga. 2 hours of sleep sa hotel, 2 hours of sleep sa van.
Hey. Mike here. Not successful. Starting our climb. That's our guide. Ano pa natin?
Salem.
Hi, Salem. Saan tayo?
Middle of nowhere.
Who is talking? Oh. Okay, we're on our first stop. And what you see there is where we came from. We stopped for a break. And there's no other light but that star. Wala. So, darkness lang lahat. Si May.
We're about 4 kilometers. We've been walking for 2 hours.
Init talaga ulo mo na.
2 more hours.
Pinababa.
1.5 more hour to go. We're here in a coffee shop. Oops. The middle of nowhere.
End of the trail, 750 steps up. Ganyan yung steps. Si Tin yan sa harap. Some of our friends are there up. Yeah, made it.
Hello.
Waiting for the sunrise. We'll show the sunrise in a bit.
Ganda ng mountain range. Lamig na lamig silang lahat. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Hindi ikaw lang. Pinanganak sa Alaska.
Sa Alaska kasi siya.
And yung background. Nice.
Nice.
Tapos parang may chapel, convent, or chapel. Monastery. Basta lahat ng may stairs, bakit monastery? Nagpipicturean kami habang naghihintay ng sunrise. Si Mike has the best camera for darkness. Ganda! And finally, the sun is peaking.
Hirap sabihin.
And siya sa likod namin.
Si Mike ba kasama doon?
Hindi, ayan.
Wala pa rin.
Video naman to eh.
Video.
Yeah. Gusto kong sumali sa video. Ayan. Full sunrise. Anong pinag-usapan natin, guys? Ha?
Saan?
Okay.
Minsan kaya mo lang maghintay na matagal. Pero pag dumating na, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Okay.
We're halfway down. Okay. Pababa, we managed to come to this point in 15 minutes. This was also one of the points where we stopped earlier. We're back! From 6 hours of hike. We're now at St. Catherine's Monastery. We'll show more later. Diba? Hinihintay namin yung tour guide namin now to bring us breakfast. Everybody's so tired. 21,000 steps according to Teen. 2 days na kami nag-hike sa Petra. 8 hours here, 6 hours. Sata ng tuhod ko. What can you guys say?
Worth it. I like the sunrise.
Very interesting kasi we started at 1, 2 a.m. to climb, so it was so dark. Couldn't see anything. When we climbed down, we saw how difficult the path was. But we also felt how difficult it was to reach. Yeah, that's it.
Kaya pala galit si Moses pagbaba niya. Kasi naman, sakit sa ulo yung mga Israeli. Tapos,
Bumaba siya, may tablet.
bumaba siya, may bit-bit pa siyang bato. Anyway, I think that's it.
Dala niya pataas ang baso.
Dinala ba niya?
Hindi niya.
Dinala pababa.
Kaya nga, mas mahirap
Mas
yung
mabigat.
dala niya yung pataas.
Yes.
Sa pababa.
But, nice sunrise. Check out the video of the sunrise. Alright.
Yeah.
And then, may mga lola tsaka lolo pababa ng gabi. So, can't complain.
Yes, you need to be ready for the hike. It's not difficult naman yung first part. It's a bit flat. I mean, not flat, but it's wala namang heavy climbing. But yeah, I think it's worth it. And also try to do it, I think the way we did it, which is in the evening because it's cooler. Kasi medyo the hike down actually medyo mahirap because the heat.
Okay. Gutom na ang mga tao. The most difficult part is the last 30 minutes na stairs, 750 steps to the top. But yeah, it's worth it. We're on our way to the airport.
Airport! Oh,
To
we're going
Luxor.
to miss Porto Resort.
Yeah.
But, yung driver namin, nawawala yung passport niya today. Driver's license niya. Nakikipag-away pa siya sa manong guard ng Porto Sharm.
How do you pronounce
Sharm
it?
El-Sheikh.
Sharm El-Sheikh.
Sharm El-Sheikh.
Sharm El-Sheikh nga daw. It's not
Okay.
Sharm El-Sheikh. Okay na. Parang kaputi ko pa rin din sa video.
Ako din! Saan tayo? Kubaw. Ang Kubaw.
Stopover currently at Cairo Airport. Board. Daming tanong ni Belle.
Oh, nag-open na naman siya ng phone. Shut that phone.